Here we are in Winco, Pennsylvania at a customer's property. The crane is now reaching up over, and this is the tree we're going to be removing. It's a large white oak. There's the trunk of that oak tree right there. And it goes up over the roof, down next to the deck right here. Per the customer's request, the tree is going to be getting cut right in this height right here. Cut number one, over the roof to the front yard. That process right there takes about 5 minutes if you really calculate time from that branch getting connected up there to getting cut by Mike. And then the process goes and continues until that tree right there is no longer with us. Here's a view of Mike. Again, he's setting these lines up to attach to the next branch he's going to remove. Mike giving hand signals to the crane operator. Dropping down now to get set up to make a cut. There it is, it's free. This is the closest branch over the roof. We'll give you a first-hand view of Mike making this cut. He's only going to be about 12 feet above my head here. That's a thing of beauty, Mike. So I think the plan's going to be to cut both of these back branches off and make one pick out of it.
Small one first, the big one second.
There's two. Much left of the tree now, just got the top. Mike's setting the straps for the last pick of the branches anyhow, and then down to wood. Well, I'm back over at the property where we just did the large white oak removal. There is no more tree behind the house. Just talked to the customer. They're extremely happy with everything. The house is in good shape. And we got that guy cut down pretty close to the height of the deck. So, there we go.